Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Payhip store. First, head over to your dashboard. At the top, click on Store, then go ahead and launch your store builder. Now, on the left panel, click on Header. Here you can upload your store logo. Just pick an image that fits your brand. You can also edit your navigation links. For example, let's add a new link for products and connect it to your product page. Once you're done, scroll down and click Apply Changes, then make sure to save. Next, you can customize the header layout. Change the width, position, vertical padding, and spacing. You can also add an announcement bar. Here, I will highlight a sale product. Plus, you can add useful elements like a search icon and a cart icon, or even a call to action button to encourage clicks. Once your header set, let's move on to the collection page. Here you can adjust the image aspect ratio, choose whether to show prices, and tweak the number of columns, spacing, and even the color scheme. Next up is the About Me section. You can write a short paragraph about yourself and upload a picture to make it more personal. And if you want to add more content, just click Add Section. For example, I'll add a featured product section, and there it is, instantly added to the page. Last part is the footer. You can go for a simple style or a column layout, and you can change the format and also the color scheme to match the rest of your site. And that's it. You now have a fully customized Payhip store ready to go. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon